Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Dee. So in today's video, I'm going to take you on how I do this everyday makeup look. If you're interested, make sure to watch till the end and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. So yeah, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is moisturize my face. I'm going with this Good Molecules moisturizer. I'm going with this Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Primer. And I really love this primer because my makeup stays all day. I have oily skin. After I'm done, I go with this LA Girl concealer. This is a corrector, so I'm going to apply areas I feel like I have dark spots around here, my cheek areas. I'm going to color correct here. And then I'm going to blend it in. I'm going to use just my fingers. I'm going to next step is foundation. I'm using this MAC Studio Fix foundation in the shade NW44, and I'm just going to put a small amount on the back of my hand. I really love the coverage of this foundation. You can never go wrong with a MAC foundation. Just a little bit of the forehead, and yeah. Look at that coverage, skin like, and it feels so good. I'm going in with my concealer. I'm using this Superstay by Maybelline, and I'm going to, it's very light. So for blush, I'm using this Dragon Renew blush. I really love the color. So I'm going to apply here, up here. I'm using the same foundation brush and I just blend it in. Just like that. So let me do my eyebrows, then go to the next step. Going in with this Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to use this powder puff, and so I mostly don't bake. I just set my face. I'm going to go in with this from this powder. It's a compact powder, so I don't remember the brand, but I bought it at a cosmetic shop, so I don't use a lot. So everywhere I've applied my foundation, that's where I'm going to apply this powder to mattify my face. I go in with this blush. I'm going to set my face with this setting spray, and my next step is the eyes, and I'm starting with this black pencil. And I'm going to line my waterlines. I'm going to start with this mascara from Kiss Beauty. I'm going to use two types of mascaras, and I'm going in with this for my upper lash only. I'm using this foundation powder, and I'm going to use it to line, like to define my eyebrows. So this is used to define my eyebrows. And yeah, so I'm going in with this pencil from Airwoman. I bought it at a cosmetic shop. So I'm going to line my lips with it. And I'm going with the red lip. This is from Sleek Matte, and it's number 12. So guys, let me do my hair. I'll be right back with the final look. So this is the makeup in natural lighting. You can see. And this is the final look. This makeup is so lightweight and easy to follow. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for staying till the end. I'll see you in my next video. India. Bye.